So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted notes on your iPhone. So starting off, you'll first need to open up the Notes app that's going to be looking something like this. So through there you can see your folders. Now if you click on some new folder or you get to your recently deleted one, so you just need to get to this page right here. So I'm just going to show you how it looks when you have a deleted one. So through there, I've just deleted one of my folders. So once you are, or rather one of my notes that I kept. So through there, once you click on delete, and make sure that you don't delete the entire note within the note. So you need to delete the specific note by clicking on delete on that specific note. And it's going to take you, you can then go to folders and you can open up your recently deleted ones. And you just need to make sure that it is within 30 days, so you don't wait longer than that because it's going to be permanently deleted after that. You can also recover them on a computer using your iCloud notes if you have your backed up iCloud installed. So click on recently deleted, and once you open this, you can click on edit and you can see be permanently deleted. You can click on here and click on move to restore it to the folder from which it came. So that's about it. That's how you can actually restore deleted folders within your notes. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iPhone notes or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.